Hello everyone, welcome to Lakshmi Chaya. If you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button below and click the bell icon to get the notification of my new uploads. Today I am going to share with you all one of my favorite sweet dish recipe, that is carrot halwa or gajar ka halwa, and that too with very simple ingredients available at our home. So without much delay, let's get into the recipe. So first I have taken around half kg of carrots, nicely washed them and peeled the skin, and here we are grating it. I have my sweet sister-in-law who is helping me to grate the carrots. So after grating, we have got around 4 cups of grated carrots here. Okay, so now to begin the procedure, first we'll roast the dry fruits. For that I have just taken 1 spoon of ghee in the pan, and we'll add the dry fruits here. That is, I have taken some chopped almonds. Since almonds takes some time to get roasted, I have added almonds first separately. So it will hardly take 2 to 3 minutes to get nice golden brown color. Once these almonds get around brownish color, we'll take them out. Yeah, so now it's done. We are taking it out, and let's add the other dry fruits here. That is cashews and some raisins. This won't take much time. It will be hardly in 30 seconds to 1 minute. So now both got nicely roasted. Let's take them out and begin the procedure for the carrots. For that, in the same pan, I am adding around 2 to 3 spoons of ghee, and to that we will add all the carrots. Okay, so this is completely 4 cups of carrots I have got. Okay, so now we have to nicely roast it in the ghee. Mix everything well and nicely roast till all the raw smell of the carrot goes out. This step is really important, otherwise the raw flavor of the carrot will remain and the halwa doesn't taste nice. So we have to nicely roast it for around 20 minutes. Easily we have to do it. Okay, we have to continuously keep on stirring the carrots. So it's been now around 20 minutes. So in the middle I have also added another 2 spoons of ghee, that you can add according to your taste. So now our carrots have become nice tender. Now it's time to add the sugar. Here I have taken 1 cup of sugar. That is, for 4 cups of carrots, 1 cup of sugar is fine. But if you want more sweet, you can add the quantity more. You can adjust the sugar quantity according to your taste of sweetness. But 1 cup is for normal sweet halwa. So now here we have to mix all the carrots and sugar nicely. Again, here also we have to cook for another 20 minutes. So now our sugar has got dissolved nicely. You can see the color has also changed. It's looking so awesome. The dark orange color. So the ghee and the sugar syrup and the carrots, wow, it's so awesome. This recipe actually I got to know from one of my cousin sister, Pallavi, with whom I also got a chance to work with. Once I saw her making this recipe and I was really impressed with it, and I started making it frequently. Now our sugar and carrot are nicely cooked. Now it's time to add the milk. Here I am adding around half cup of milk. See, this halwa is made with many varieties. Like few people make it using khova or condensed milk. So It depends on your preference, but here I would like to add just milk and the sugar, and these are very simple ingredients we can get at home at any time. So now let all the milk nicely get absorbed by the carrots. So here it will take around again 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes to cook. Preparing this carrot halwa is really little bit time consuming, but final result will be really awesome. The taste will be very super yummy, making all our efforts worth. See the dark orange color of the carrots. It's so nice. Wow. So the whole procedure of making this half kg of carrots halwa, it took me around 45 to 50 minutes. And one more main thing is we have to keep on stirring the halwa in them again and again frequently, so that the carrots doesn't stick to the bottom. See, now everything, all the milk is absorbed by the carrots. So now our halwa seems to be getting ready. Now here let's add around 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and turn off the flame, and let's add the roasted dry fruits here. Mix it once again, and it's ready to serve. The super yummy carrot halwa or gajar ka halwa, very simple with simple ingredients, is ready to serve. It has got so nice texture. This dish is always tempting to be eaten. So here is our simple and tasty carrot halwa ready for serving. I hope you all like this recipe. Please do try and let me know how it turned out to you in the comment sections below. I'll be waiting for your reply. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.